Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Studio. Today we're going to a coffee shop together.
Hi, and welcome to Bean and Bloom. Take your time and let us know what you'd like.
Going to a coffee shop in English can feel tricky. There are a lot of choices, and the staff sometimes speak fast.
But don't worry, the phrases you need are simple, and we'll go through them slowly together today.
By the end of this video, you'll be able to order any drink, ask for changes, pay, and find a seat. All in clear, easy English. Imagine it's a quiet morning. You walk into a small, cozy coffee shop. You smell fresh coffee and warm pastries. You walk up to the counter. The barista looks at you with a friendly smile.
Hi there, welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
If you don't know what you want yet, you can simply say, "Could I have a moment to look at the menu, please?"
Of course, take your time. Just wave when you're ready.
You look up at the chalkboard menu. There are lots of choices, and that's okay. We'll go one step at a time.
Most coffee shops have 4 basic drinks: espresso, americano, latte, and cappuccino.
Espresso is small and very strong. Americano is espresso with hot water, so it's lighter.
A latte is espresso with a lot of warm milk. A cappuccino is similar, but with more foam on top.
If you want something cold, ask for an iced latte or an iced Americano. Just add the word iced before the drink. Okay? You've decided. You want a hot latte. You step back up to the counter. The magic words are, "Could I have a drink, please?" That works for everything. So you say, "Hi, could I have a latte, please?"
Sure. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
Small, medium, and large are easy. You can also see them as 8 ounces, 12 ounces, and 16 ounces. You say, "A medium, please."
A medium latte? Got it. Anything else?
If you only want the latte, you can say, "That's all, thank you."
But before we move on, let's talk about milk. There are many milk options today.
The barista will often ask, "What kind of milk would you like?" or "Any milk preference."
We have whole milk, skim milk, oat milk, almond milk, and soy milk. Which one would you like?
Whole milk is regular milk. Skim milk has no fat. Oat, almond, and soy are made from plants. If you don't have a strong opinion, just say, "Whole milk, please." That's the most common choice.
Sometimes we offer to add a flavor. Vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut are the most popular ones.
If you want a flavor, say, "Could I add vanilla syrup, please?" Use "Could I add" for any extra.
We can also make it less sweet. Just say, "Half the syrup, please," and we'll use a smaller amount.
If you don't want any sugar, say, "No sugar, please." If you want regular sugar, ask for 1 or 2 packets.
For the temperature, you can say, "Extra hot, please," or "Just warm, please." We can adjust it for you.
If you want it cold, say, "Iced, please." For very cold, ask for extra ice. Don't be afraid to ask for changes. Coffee shops are happy to make your drink the way you like it. Now, while you're at the counter, you might want something to eat too. You can ask, "What pastries do you have today?" The barista will point them out for you.
Today, we have croissants, blueberry muffins, banana bread, and a chocolate chip cookie.
If something looks good, say, "Could I add a croissant, please?"
Sure. Would you like that warmed up?
If yes, say, "Yes, please. Warmed up sounds great." If no, say, "No, just as it is, thank you." If you want a real meal, ask, "Do you have any sandwiches today?" Most cafes have a few.
We have a turkey sandwich, an egg salad sandwich, and a vegetarian one with cheese and tomato.
If you don't eat meat, say, "I'm vegetarian. What do you recommend?" The staff will point to safe choices. If you have any allergies, this is the time to mention it. Say, "I'm allergic to nuts. Is this safe?" Once you've ordered everything, the barista tells you the price.
Okay, that comes to $7.25.
You can say, "Could I pay with card, please?" Or, "Could I pay with cash?"
Of course, the card reader is right here. Tap, insert, or swipe, whichever works.
If the card reader asks about a tip, you can choose a percentage or skip. Both are okay. Many people leave a small tip, like $1 or $2, but you don't have to. It's your choice.
Thank you so much. Your name for the order, please?
You say your first name slowly. The barista writes it on the cup so they can call you when ready. If your name is hard to spell, you can say, "You can write Lee, that's easier."
Thanks, Leo. Your latte will be ready in just a few minutes. We'll call your name.
While you wait, you can step over to the side or find a small spot near the pickup counter. If the cafe is busy, just be patient. The barista is working as fast as they can.
Latte for Leo. Medium latte with whole milk, ready for pickup.
When you hear your name, walk up and say, "Thank you very much." Always check your drink before walking away. If anything is wrong, you can ask politely. Say, "Excuse me, I think this is the wrong drink." Or, "Could I get this a little warmer, please?"
Oh, sorry about that. Let me fix it for you right away. It will only take a minute.
Don't feel shy. Cafes want you to enjoy your drink, and a small fix is no trouble at all. Now you have your drink. Are you staying, or are you taking it to go?
If you're not sure yet, the barista may ask, for here or to go? Just answer in 3 words.
If you want to drink it inside, say, "For here, please." If you're leaving, say, "To go, please." If you're staying, look around for a small table. You can ask, "Is this seat free?" before sitting down. Many coffee shops have free Wi-Fi. The password is often on a small sign or printed on your receipt. If you can't find it, you can ask, "Excuse me, what's the Wi-Fi password, please?"
Sure, the password is Bean and Bloom, all lowercase, no spaces. Enjoy your time here.
If the cafe is full, ask, "Is there a time limit on tables today?" So you don't worry while you work. Let's quickly recap a few magic phrases. These work in almost every coffee shop in the world.
For ordering, could I have a drink, please? For size, a medium, please.
For changes, could I add vanilla syrup, please? Or no sugar, please?
For paying, could I pay with card, please? For pickup, thank you very much.
For seating, is this seat free? For Wi-Fi, what's the Wi-Fi password, please? Save these phrases, practice them out loud this week, and next time you visit a coffee shop, you'll feel ready. Thanks for stopping by Bean and Bloom today. We hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.